What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last video we have talked about the first episode of for loop, and today we are going to talk about for loop else. For example, we set a list equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we set a for I in list and print I, execute it. As you can see, it iterates 1 to 5, or we add a else and print and execute it again. It iterates 1 to 5, and in the end it outputs end. It is very simple. Let's go on and take a look. For loop else and break, and we set a dictionary of scores equals Harden 38 and Yanis 32 and Doncic 42 and Williamson 30 and Trey 46, and we set up for player and score in scores item, and we set a if condition if player equals Doncic, and print player and score and break. Alright, execute it. And as you can see, it outputs Doncic scores 42. Or we change the player's name to James and execute it. Alright, you can see nothing. So what should we do? We just add an else, print can't find this player, and we execute it again. If players equals James, but we can't find this player, so it outputs can't find this player. Alright, this is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the for loop else and break. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.